Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to connect Spotify Notion 2023. So let's get started. Open your preferred browser and navigate to notion.so. Log into your Notion account. In a new tab, go to spotify.com and log into your Spotify account. Find the Share and Embedded section of any Spotify item like a song or playlist. Copy the provided link or embedded code. Go back to Notion, create a new page, and use the -mention command to add an embedded block. Paste the Spotify link or code into the embedded block. Customize the appearance by adding icons, titles, or covers. Click Enter, and your Spotify content is now integrated into your Notion page. In conclusion, although there's no direct integration, you can now creatively enhance your Notion workspace by adding Spotify content. Enjoy the convenience of having Spotify alongside your notes or calendar in Notion. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.